please go see Miss Josephine. Then explain her to where she goes, okay?
Duty room.
Yeah. Otherwise your eyes are good. No medicine required. Don't put any medicine. Okay, please come. Alfred. Okay, 6 by 60 and 6 by 12. Okay. Right eye is quite weak. And left eye is okay. You can see through left eye, but your right eye is weak. Huh? Your right eye is weak. This eye you can hardly see. Ask her, Miss.
This lady here is praying of eyes. You give her an ID.
Ask her. Ask him that his right eye is weak. Ask him if he can see through the right eye well or not. How much he can see.
He can see.
He can see. Okay. So what's the area we can help with? What is the problem we can help with then?
That the left side can be just, it can see well.
Left side he can see well, right side is weak, so he needs actually custom made glasses for that. We cannot help him with the glasses with the here. So you can tell him that he can go get glasses from the store, or he can get prescription here. I can write. He can get prescription here on the 3rd of January, because we will be here until then. After that we are gone. They can provide him refraction, new set of numbers, okay? And then he can get this, and I can give him some drops for cleaning. Yeah, this is for the cleaning up. Put one drop 3 times a day. After New Year you come and see the refraction here, okay? And get new glasses. Yeah, he will need new glasses.
Doctor, why don't you also give him
Custom made glasses, because both his numbers are different.
Yeah.
Doctor, why don't you also give me for cleaning my eyes also? For cleaning my eyes also.
Your eyes are beautiful.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll give you something.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, what's your name, please? Grace. Grace. Okay, Grace, how are you today? Throbbing pain, blurring, and foreign body sensation, itching. Unknown eye drops. Okay, immature cataract. These are the treatments. Tablet Panadol, tablet Vita, tablet for 3 months. Okay, 6 months, 36. Okay. You have this membrane coming out, okay? And this one also you have membrane, but other than that your eyes are good. No cataract. Cataract is very little, maybe next few years to come. But ask her what the problem she is facing. Grace? What's that? Fainting?
Pain.
Oh, pain.
She feels like stone inside, like.
You can feel like there's stone inside.
Okay, yes, that's what they have said here. Throbbing pain and foreign body sensation, blurring. How about blood pressure? Did you check your blood pressure is okay?
Blood pressure.
How is her sleep? How is her sleep?
That she has tested it here. That she has tested it, the blood pressure. Was it low? That it was low.
Low. What about sleep? She sleep well or she sleep okay or not?
She can sleep well, but it's pain.
Okay, we'll give her some pain medicine. We'll give her some cleaning agents for the eyes, and we'll give her some throbbing pain. And she needs glasses for reading. Okay? कल से कर रहे हैं ना जेडे में कर रहे हैं
नहीं कल से खड़े नहीं हुए इन्होंने
ना खड़े कहना भी कल आना है ठीक है ना order the drops for her and some pain medicine. This is a pain medicine, okay? If you think you are feeling better, you can buy this from store. It's very, very common medicine, okay?
Ni kai no ni feeling bad. Baby ni bad. Na mbie, you raw in the pan and man pan.
And ask her to, she can see Miss Josephine for classes if she has.
Ni wo ni room of
Yeah, I was asking her to help me a little bit, so now you are back, now you come back. Okay.